Good morning, guys. Today you're taking the Unit 4 and 5 assessment test. This is over adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing fractions. For each question, make sure you show all your work. You can even try to draw a picture that will help you out. And then don't forget to check your work. All right, you're going to read the question with me. And then once you need to work it out, you're going to hit pause. And then when you're ready, you can start it again. Here we go. Try to think of it as a little mini commercial. There are 48 pencils in a box. 2/6 of the pencils have already been sharpened. How many sharpened pencils are there? Your answer choices are A, B, A is 8, B is 12, C is 16, or D is 32. Go ahead and pause it, work it out, and then come on back. Question 2. Martin has a 12-foot long board. He is going to cut the board into half-foot pieces to make birdhouses. How many half-foot pieces can he cut from the board? Answers A is 6, B is 12, C is 18, D is 24. Pause the video, work it out, and then come on back. Number 3. Which model represents 2/3 of 12? Which model represents 2/3 of 12? Hit pause. Number 4. Kyle spent 1/4 of an hour on spelling homework, 5/12 of an hour on reading homework. What fraction of an hour did Kyle work on his homework? You have spelling here, reading here. A is 8/12, B is 4/12, C is 6/16, or D is 8/24. Hit pause and come back when you're ready. Number 5. 1/2 of a watermelon was shared equally with 5 people. What fraction of the whole watermelon did each person get? Make sure you underline your question. Is it A 1/5, B 1/10, C 1/15, or D 1/2? Hit pause and come back. Number 6. Raul noticed that 3 of the players on his team had prime numbers on their jerseys. Which list shows the number Raul saw? Is it A, 15, 21, 23, B, 7, 11, 23, C, 12, 16, 20, or D, 1, 7, 9? Hit pause. Number 7. What's 4/5 minus 2/3? What is 4/5 minus 2/3? Hit pause. Number 8. Felicia made 8 cups of pancake batter. Each pancake takes 1/4 cups of batter. How many pancakes can Felicia make? Let me say it one time. Felicia made 8 cups of pancake batter. Each pancake takes 1/4 cups of batter. How much pancakes can Felicia make? A, 8, B, 12, C, 16, D, 32. Hit pause. Number 9. Randy has a total of 1/4 gallon of paint to use on 6 picture frames. He will use the same amount of paint for each frame. How many gallons of paint will he use for each picture frame? Hit pause. Number 10. Daisy read 3/8 of her book on Saturday, 1/4 of the same book on Sunday. How much of the book did Daisy read over the weekend? Hit pause. Number 11. Which number line best models expression? 4 divided into 1/2. 4 divided into 1/2. Number 12. You're getting close. Take your time. Number 12. Sarah needs sugar for her recipe. The model shows the fractions of a cup she needs for her recipe and the fraction of cup she has in her sugar bowl. This one here shows sugar needed for the recipe. This one shows sugar in her sugar bowl. How much more sugar does Sarah need to make her recipe? Hit pause. All right, last 2 questions. Number 13. Which set consists of all the composite numbers that are greater than 20 but less than 30? Hit pause. And the last 2 questions. Number 14. A cookie recipe listed moist and dry ingredients. The dry ingredients were 2½ cups of flour and 1 3/4 cups of white sugar. How many cups of dry ingredients were used to make the recipe? Hit pause. All right, the last question is going to be recorded on your Scantron sheet on the back on question number 111 once you finish answering the question. So it says, Mr. Harper mixed 16 pints of lemonade for the picnic. If he pours 1/4 of a pint into each glass, how many glasses can he fill? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Once you finish, go back and check your work. All problems must have work shown on them, and I know you have done an excellent job. Great job. Bye-bye.